To clear your search history on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here I am already on my Snapchat app. So if you are on this page, I will show you two methods. So like I said, if you are on this page, you can go out of here. And right now I will show you the first method. So from your camera roll, you have to click on the search icon, which is at the left top corner next to your profile picture icon. So click on that. And here at the right top corner, we have a cancel button and a clear all button. So make sure that you click on the clear all button. And here, as you can see, we have clear recents. So click on clear. And now we have to go to the second option, the second method. So go to your profile once again. And from here, you have to go to settings. So click on the gear from the right top corner. And then here you have to scroll down. And at the privacy section, we have clear conversation. And after that, we have clear search history. So click on clear search history. And here, as you can see, it says this will clear your search history. So click OK. So now your search history has been successfully cleared. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.